Hi, I'm going to take you through how to install Validator desktop. In order to do that, you need to download Validator desktop. Right click on the Validator and click on Extract to Validator. A folder will be created. Open the folder and double click on the Validator desktop. A pop-up will appear asking Run anyway, do not run. Click on Run anyway. Another pop-up will appear asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. In the license agreement step, read the terms and conditions of the data gaps and select I accept the agreement and click Next. In the select destination location step, a default location will be selected. You can change the location if you want and click Next. In the select additional task step, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, check the box. If you don't want, you can skip it and click Next. In the ready to install step, a destination location and additional task will be shown which you have created before and click Install. The installation process starts. It may take few minutes for you to complete the process. We are done. Click Finish. And you are ready to access